Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of this premium leather messenger bag, also known as the MacCase, and this is by Michael Santoro Design. And in all honesty, I contacted this company because I love this bag and asked them to send me one to review. So let's jump into it. All right, we're going to unbox this. The first thing I notice, that new car, that new leather smell, right? Packaged nicely here. Oh, this is the messenger bag or MacCase. And I'm just gonna toss this out of the way here. And the first thing I notice when I open this is solid. This is actually handcrafted, and man, you can automatically tell high quality. So let's jump into it. First, it has this flap right here, and it's magnetic right here to hold it down, but not a loud clasp. Also, I like the fact that it has this pocket right here so that if you want to store something and have access to it quickly, it's right there. And then when we open up the messenger bag here, you're gonna have room for pins and other things that you want to store in these front pockets. And of course, this is all wrapped up nicely, but it's the adjustable leather strap. And then I thought this was pretty cool when I looked in the bottom of this case. So they have a flap down here that folds up and down. And what that does is it allows you to put that down, and then it's more solid and it's gonna be an expanded case. If you want it to be skinnier, you just lift that flap up and now it will be skinnier. So very cool. I really like that option for this, depending on whether you have just a thin MacBook or a bunch of things with you as well. Also, as I spin this around, has a nice carrying handle here, and then another pocket right here on the back so I can access different things that I want to have quick access to. Also, right here has an accessory packet, and it has some paper in it right now. I'm going to pull that aside, get rid of it, and a nice solid Velcro here. And this part I thought was really cool when it came to this case here. It also has a spot for an air tag so that you can really make sure and keep track of this high-end bag. You know, overall, I really love this bag for a couple different reasons. One, it's gonna protect my Mac. It's gonna do a great job of that. But there's a lot of cases that will just protect a Mac. This says something, right? This screams high-end, high-quality design. And I think that it's just an awesome looking case overall. And I think that's kind of what we all want, right? We want to have not only function, but we want a little cool fashion with us as well. Overall, I highly recommend this bag.